Yo, hello everybody. How are you? How you feeling, huh? Yeah, I have some news for everybody, for all who want to know more about this. You see, this is the Toyota MMT, and today I will show you something abnormal. Okay, this car I repaired 2 times gearbox. I open it, change something, a lot, and after that he don't want to do learning fault, and by now I don't know what the problem. It's only one Toyota that I can't repair. Really, I have repaired a lot. Look at this. I will show you. Each of Toyota that I have repaired, I write in my phone. Oh, I write everything. Mileage, VIN number, what I did, how it was. As look. I will show you. Look. This is my channel. I did my channel. This one Toyota. You see. Second. A lot. It's all I repaired and all no problem. Them working, them driving, no problem. You see? See how many? Maybe 100. I don't know. I not counted. It's all. Wait. No. It's connectors. This Toyota, this. See? A lot. But only this one don't want. And I will show you why. It don't want to learn. No, I think it's something because its gear was very bad. It's driving, it's okay, but how it's driving? I will show you. If you have this case, some case like this, that the car don't want to learn, but if you flash the learned file that you can buy from me, it's driving, but you need to do learning because to learn the clutch. Even if you flash another file, it will no driving good. It will din. The clutch not working good. Clutch every time need to learn. And let's go. I will show you how to do it. Okay? So look. It's okay. It's working. It's no problem. Okay? No any trouble codes. Yeah, let's make active test, for example, for clutch control. I will open the engine case. I will do active test that you can hear it. So all working. Let's do the active test for gears. See, all working. It's all good. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, it's not because need to little drive. Okay, but it's all working. See, it's all okay. But when I do learning, the learning is found. Now I will show you. So I'm going to the part exchange and look.
Lost communication. Why? Not the problem. Okay,
Next. Initialization and learning. And I'm changing only clutch actuator. I'm changing on this car only clutch actuator. I'm not, it was driving, it was okay, just was some problem. Okay, and I change only clutch actuator. So I choose only clutch actuator. Next. And I'm turning ignition off. And now, when I will turn ignition on, it will start to do learning. Okay, and you will hear that is engage all gears. And once again engage. And not done. Good. Okay, so I turn on the switch. Next. And I change only on this one. So next. Turn on, turn off, not the switch. Done. Okay. Ah, shit. It's a battery come out. Let's connect the battery and try again. As you remember, the car was working, right? Yes. Step 3. It was no problem. No, I just changed the clutch actuator and need to do learning that the clutch will working good. It will drive good. Okay? I'm just change clutch actuator. That's all. I'm not repair the gearbox, something else. Just change clutch actuator. So I choose only clutch actuator. Go to next. Okay. He said turn off the switch. I'm turn off the switch. And now when I will turn on the switch, it will start engage the gears. It just has slow battery, so I will and we will hear all sounds. Okay? Yes. So I turn on the switch. It's not engaged all gears. Okay. But sometimes he's yes engaged all gears, sometimes not. And what now? The learning fault, the car not driving. What to do? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? And now I will show you how to go from these issues, to make that the car will drive even if it has some problem inside the gearbox. As look. You see? No neutral. That's all. I'm removing this version of the text stream, you see? Removing. I will not use this anymore. I'm refresh this TCM. I put the learn file inside, refresh the EEPROM. Now look. Now it's okay. See? It's okay again. Walking, no problem. And what I'm going to do now? I'm install version of the text stream. So I'm installing another soft of the text stream. That will help me. Now I'm going to utility. Parts exchange. Next. Step 3. Next. And you can see I have this option, initialization of clutch. So I'm choose only this one. Next. Okay. And now look, I have the neutral. And check what it will be, what he will do. I'm turn off the switch, and when I turn on the switch, it will start to initializing only clutch. It will keep all parameters of gearbox. It will not clear them. It will not do learning for gearbox. It will do learning only for clutch actuator. He will find the touch point again. So look, now I will turn on the switch and will wreck what he will do. Okay. Good. So like this. Okay. we see. Yes? Okay, so I'm turn on the switch. You saw that? And I'm still have the neutral. But when I will start the engine, the neutral will flashing and light on. What does it mean? It will find the touch point of the clutch and it's okay. So it learning only clutch actuator and clutch. So I'm start the engine. Look at the neutral. You see? It was flashing and stop. That's all. Now the clutch working perfect and gearbox still working. As you understand? Yeah. If you don't understand, check this video again. Okay. Oh, call me, I will help, okay? That's all. And once again, if you need some help, some parts, clutch actuators, TCM, every parts I have, I can send. Also, I can teach you how to repair. I can teach you online. I can go to your home to teach you if you want to do business or make money on these cars. You see, I repaired about 100, maybe more. In all of my country, even on neighborhoods. Call me, message me, and we make business, okay? This car has problem. The repair this car on Toyota is very expensive. I can provide repair, not expensive, and everybody will happy and will know say that the Toyota MMT is bad car. It's a good car. Just people don't know how to repair it. That's all. People don't know. I know. Okay? So thank you for watching. Message me, call me. Feel free to contact. Thank you and good luck.